to you. Well, top of the morning to you. This is Mark, and I'm coming to you from beautiful Vista, California, which is maybe 10 miles west of Oceanside, California in the San Diego area. I've got this amazing rock that's coming out of the ground here. It wasn't placed here. The guy who owns this place has been looking at that rock for 50 years. It's absolutely amazing. Anyway, that's off topic. The topic today is an experience that I had with a product that I wanted to share with you, and that is, and it's a negative. This is the product. I have a picture of it on my thumbnail, I believe. Let's see. Slime. There, you can get a good picture of it. Slime. Now, I've had good experiences with slime in the past. It was, you know, it's a product that you put into your inner tube to get the to get a hole fixed without actually patching it. And I've done that with let me think, lawnmower tire. It's like I think 10-15 pounds. I patched a tire, an inner tube of a like a wheelbarrow. You know, I had good luck with this product. And so when I had a flat tire on my bicycle, this is an e-bike that I have, not exactly low pressure inner tube. I think I keep 50 pounds of pressure in this inner tube for my bike. And I picked up a nail, and I thought, instead of replacing this inner tube, which is $15, I figured, hey, I'll buy this slime, and it's called a scab, and here's it on the inner tube. You can see it there. I don't know if you got a good picture of it or not, but anyway, I patched it. Doesn't come with any glue. You just take off the adhesive and stick it over the. Oh, that's what the instructions say. Just put it right over the hole, and you're good to go. Go ahead and fill up the inner tube. Put it in the tire, and boom, you're done. Except, and it actually held air. It held air for, I want to say, maybe about 20 hours. I don't know. I pumped up the tire and went off for a bike ride, rode it about 10 miles, came back the next morning, the tire was completely flat. And I thought, my God, if I had gone off and been 5 miles from my home and had lost air, I'd be pretty upset. So it cost $2 for this little thing of Skabs, they call it, which I got at Walmart. But the next morning I took it apart and I thought I'd picked up a nail or something and had another leak, because I couldn't imagine that the scab would leak. But I don't have another leak in this inner tube. Just where the scab was, air had come out on both sides. There's a little bit of a I don't know if you can see that. There's a little bit of a seam that the scab had to go over, but it didn't leak at the seam. It didn't leak out, but basically the air just came out of the sides of the scab. And so, boy, I can't tell you. You know, I would have been pretty upset if I'd been stranded 5 miles away and had to take an Uber ride or something to get back, because I didn't have at that time I didn't have a bike pump. So now what I've done is I bring a spare tire or spare inner tube with me and a bike pump with me at all times, so that if I have a problem again, I can get myself back on the road. But I thought, here, I'll save some money, buy these little $2 slime scabs. Not a good idea. So if you're thinking of patching your tire, maybe the way to do it is still to go ahead with the compound of the cement that actually makes the patch adhere to the rubber. I don't know the chemistry of it, but I've patched tires that hold 110 pounds for my road bike, but I thought this kind would work, and it did not. So add that to your knowledge, and don't buy the Slime Scab. So sorry, Slime, I know you got good products, but this is not one of them. So if this has helped you in some way, if you're thinking of buying these things and patching your tire, it didn't hold air for me, and I did it according to their specifications. So if you like this, go ahead and hit your like and maybe subscribe. Consider subscribing. I'm going to be turning out other videos and talking about electric bikes and other electrical things in the future. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next time. Bye-bye.